Hey guys, RellaMas day. Oh my god, I really don't know.
12.
Whatever it is. No, because okay, so 12's video is gonna go up late, but we're recording for 13. My hair looks massive. We came out to Burlington to see if we could find some gifts for Denver. So we left the kids. We left him at home. I just wanted to see. Hello. They had a lot of cute little things here earlier, but I'm really interested in finding this stuff over here. So we'll turn it around so you guys can see what we're looking at.
Let's see what's in here.
Look. I've seen so many of those companies that we saw at the expo. Oh look, baby wagon, what's this? $16. I thought they would have had it here. Okay, so we only found one thing, which is fine. It is, I think that's okay. But then now here's the thing, when we open that up, I'm gonna throw away the crayon thing, so should he have a bucket?
Give me something to hold it.
All right,
Oh,
let's see
this
what
is
they have.
like
Yeah.
adult.
Then they have these little seats. A phone. Hopefully he'll play with it. And then we have some wooden blocks. Hopefully he plays with it. Oh, it's upside down. But then we were also looking at one of the Papasons, but I don't think he's old enough, quite old enough yet to get a Papasan. So we'll wait on that one. Maybe, I don't know, sometime
He's always
soon.
grabbing our phone, so he definitely has to have a
Yeah,
phone.
so let's try this one. You think this one will work, or do you think he needs one that looks more like our phones? Like how they light up?
No, I think once we start pressing the button, maybe he'll. I'm like, just.
I mean, it's $6. Let's try it.
All right, we're continuing.
And these keys? $1. It's your total $29. Oh wow! For all this, I love it. Feel how chilly it is, right? From New York, it's all right. It's all right. But we're doing something fun tomorrow where we'll be out past a certain time, and you feel it. It's like, and I checked the weather where we're gonna be, and it's gonna be like 40.
It is a little Nipsey hustle out here.
Definitely gonna be wearing a jacket tomorrow. None of this cutesy sweatshirt stuff. Where's the car?
Over here,
Oh.
man.
What do you
looks
wanna
like the car we
eat?
just we
Yeah,
just played
it
with.
does. What do you want to eat, babe? I'm not cooking.
I really want.
I'm over it.
I really want dumplings, to be
Me
honest.
too.
With you. We gotta find a dumpling spot.
Ming's dumpling.
If you guys are in
Target,
Southern
near
California,
Walmart.
we need suggestions for dumpling spots.
Is this even considered? This isn't considered Southern California anymore. We're Inland Empire.
Inland Empire.
Yeah.
We need some suggestions, guys.
You can throw it in the trunk.
We're on to store number 2.
Target.
Let's go. I'm getting this. We're at Target, but we found it for cheaper on Amazon. So Amazon it shall be.
Ready?
Yeah, I got the barbecue on. Anytime we come to Target, we have to stop in our aisle. Boom. Get some pickups, some bread. Oh, we didn't get bread yet. We're gonna get bread. Ralph's picking out some more things. Yeah. Appreciate you, Target. So far we got. Oh, I wanted these. I love wings. I love wings, and I haven't had them in a long time. We've made like cauliflower wings, and those are really, really good. But I guess these are just a little more convenient too. But not that the cauliflower wings take long. But these are a hit for holidays, especially. It's so good. If you haven't eaten it, try it. Sherelle loves this almond creamer. And Denver with his almond milk.
If you guys need last minute gift ideas, this is a good line. Raw sugar. Raw sugar is good. I've heard good things about them, but I don't know, because it is 25% off. And I believe this brand is cruelty free, right? Recycling partnership. I believe this company's cruelty free. Yeah, not tested on animals. Oh, and it's vegan. So this one's a good one too. Coconut water and mimosa flower. I would probably like rose, but I've tried them. Love their stuff. I don't think they're cruelty free. Okay, hey guys, so we're just gonna finish up that vlog. We just decided to come back to our happy place here. Right here, everything's already set up. Aw, man.
What are you trying to do?
So we were gonna get one extra gift for Mr. Denny, but it's cheaper to get it online, like you guys saw. So we're just gonna get it there. But we had a couple questions that I want to answer them with David, since you guys really enjoyed that. I have a question. I probably could pull it up here on my computer too. But I had a question from Everlasting Tea. And she wrote, or they wrote, do you have any Christmas traditions? Are there any traditions you want to start now that you are parents? Will you do another challenge with Shayna and David? What is one thing you would change about where you are in life or about your lifestyle you would change if you could?
Okay. Well, thanks for those questions.
Yeah, that's a loaded question. I like it. I love it.
So the first one is Christmas traditions.
Oh,
right there. Okay.
Yeah, right here. So, I know personally for my family growing up, we would always go down to my grandmother's house, who I spoke about yesterday. We called her mom, and we'd go down to their house. We called them mom and dad. They're my mom's parents. And since my mom was a Christmas baby, we would always have a cake for her, and us kids would try to give her extra presents to make her feel that much more special, because it was her birthday and it was also Christmas. So that was really the tradition, and we keep the cake thing going every year for my mom. What about you?
No traditions.
No,
Remember, I guess when we got together, I started to kind of see that your family had that sort of tradition of going together and seeing each other. And I thought that was really cool.
We're very family.
That's why, even the holiday, even the whole gift buying itself, we keep emphasis on the family aspect of it. So the tradition now is, family.
But the one Christmas tradition that we actually started, we are continuing, is buying a new ornament every year.
Oh yeah.
So we try to get one or two new ornaments a year. I normally try to get one for myself, but now that we have Denver, we're going to be getting one Denver, and then we also get one for Cuba. So we bought Cuba one this year. I think I showed you guys. It's a little cute little ornament that David wrote his name in. And Denver has a little penguin, is it?
Penguin.
A penguin. So he'll put that on the tree.
We need to.
So that's our
we'll
tradition.
insert a video of him putting it on the tree.
And he's pulling them off. So I'm like, this is good.
It's crazy.
Are there any traditions that you want to start now that you are parents? Probably just the tradition of him knowing that it's always family first. You always want to enjoy the time that you have with us and with your cousins, and in the future with siblings, because that is what is most important. Nothing else really matters. Friends do become family, so I hope he knows that, and I think he will see that as much as myself and my siblings get along, and how David gets along with my siblings and all that stuff. It's a good thing.
Yeah,
it's a good thing.
I think the next question may be a tradition we start.
What? Will you do another challenge?
Another challenge with Shayna and David.
What challenge should we do? Yes, we want to do a challenge, but let us know what challenges we should do. For me, personally, I like to do cooking challenges with them, like vegan cooking challenges, because I think it's quite funny, because everybody thinks they can beat me. I does this. I be doing it.
Can you just go back in the videos and see how...
I win everyone. What are you saying?
Mine were so perfect.
No.
Every one of my challenges are perfect.
Yes, we will do more challenges. Just let us know. I know people have been asking for years, for ages, to do the yoga challenge. And I want to do the yoga challenge now that I'm not pregnant, because last year I wanted to do it. Yeah. I was like, all my plans out the window. But not really out the window, just postponed. So leave us some challenges down below. I would love to do them. And we'll take it from there. Yeah.
Well, so Everlasting Tea and everyone else, you're gonna start something for a tradition. You'll start our tradition.
Oh my gosh. That's so funny. And what is one thing you would change about where you are in life or about your lifestyle? What would we change if we could? You want to answer that one first?
For me personally, I don't think that there's anything I would change because it's part of the journey. Because I know where I'm going to be. Not in the end, because I don't ever see there being a plateau, but I know eventually when I can sit back and like, I did it. So I have that in my mind as to where that is. So to change anything is part of it. You know, the move across the country, the change in scenery, the change in the environment, everything from growing up all the way until now is part of the journey. It's part of the journey. So I wouldn't change anything. Some decisions I wish I would have made a little earlier. Like even the growth process of when you get into like credit and you thinking smart, I would have had a credit card.
Wait, like when I was like 10 years old, right?
But
I mean that's part of the learning process, and it's
because now
it's
we
good
have
to learn
Denver to show.
Right, and we know what we're doing now.
Yeah, right, exactly.
I knew more than you.
Yeah, everything for me was just cash.
Yeah, I always used cash, but I always knew you had to have a line of credit. I knew that. But for me, if we're talking about life in general, like having a baby when I did and getting married when I did and all that stuff, no. If I was talking career, yes.
Okay, career. That's different.
Career, absolutely yes. And I wish that I figured out this whole YouTube success thing. I wish I could just figure it out. I don't understand. Like, I want to do this full time. This is what I love. I love being creative. Are we in focus? I don't know if we're in focus right now. I think this is focused. I love being creative. I love having this creative outlet. I love being able to help and educate others on, I literally was just talking to Shayna about this earlier, and I think I was also filling you in on the conversation. I love being able to spread awareness about veganism and being cruelty-free and trying to be a little more eco-friendly, and I'm not the best. We're all here learning. I'm not saying that all hail Sherelle. Sherelle knows all. I don't know everything, but I am a work in progress, and I want to be able to deliver that in like such a cool looking package to show people that not all vegans have to wear hemp skirts, not all vegans have long underarm hair, not all people that care about Mother Earth want to be a certain way. Like, you can still be vegan and cruelty-free and eco-friendly and stylish. Like, at least I feel I'm that way. You know, especially working in the fashion world, I present myself in a package that when people do say you're vegan, it's like, what? Like, I would have never guessed, you know? That's why I think I love so much when I'm able and blessed enough to work with Kat Von D, because that's a company I can see myself working for and with for years, because everything that they stand for, they're cruelty-free. It's a vegan company. I know they're changing so many things to be a little more eco-friendly and all that stuff. So I love her. I love what she stands for. Be you. Be who you are. And I feel like that's one thing I probably would change about right now if I could have a better, steady career. But the man that I chose to marry and the baby that I have, I would not change that for the world. I love them to pieces. And your lifestyle, would you change if I could? The lifestyle, I guess I could play into, like, I wish I just was in a career and possibly maybe owning a house. We were this close to owning a house in New York, but we decided to move instead. So I think we would feel a little more grounded if we possibly bought a house. I know we're in the market now looking, but as of right now, it wouldn't be such a grandiose house for where we live. Like, where we're in New York, we were gonna do like a 5-bedroom, 6-bedroom home. One would have been an office, and here it's more like, yo, stuff is so expensive here.
That house,
we gotta get a townhome here.
The cost of that is probably a townhouse or a 2-bedroom house. Who makes 2-bedroom houses?
I don't know. How do normal families? But I'm saying that the size of normal families now. How in a 2-bedroom home? That means nobody's working from home. That means the bedrooms are just for sleeping. You know what I mean? It's like...
And I guess that make it work for them, but for us, it's
a lot.
Yeah,
it's a lot.
It's a lot.
And so even though we are down, we're getting rid of our stuff, we're selling our stuff, we're like kind of trying to be a little more smart with our purchase, and I don't want to say minimalistic, but a little more like certain. Yeah, I guess I was gonna say more certain in our purchases. Like,
for sure.
I see this working here, there, and there. I see myself wearing this, and that. And not so much like buying things that are super trendy. I see us buying things that are more like, oh no, these Levi's are staples. These whatevers are staples now. Instead of like, this is cute for the season and the next season I'm getting rid of it. You know what I mean?
Seasons?
Well, you know what I mean.
Yeah.
But I just wanted to answer those questions. That was all, right? Did I have another one?
For her?
Oh, and somebody else said, I completely forgot. They were saying their favorite Christmas movie was Preacher's Wife with freaking Whitney Houston. I'm a huge Whitney Houston fan. I completely forgot about that. So I have to add that to my... Preacher's Wife. You remember that movie, Whitney Houston? Mm-hmm. I forgot that was a Christmas movie. And I forgot she was in...
Christmas movie?
Yeah.
I don't know.
So I have to add that to mine.
That is another thing though.
What? Tradition?
Tradition.
I have to watch Christmas movies.
Besides RellaMas, there's Christmas movies. We need to watch Christmas movies. I
have to.
We're trying.
I'm about to put one on right now.
We're still getting the routine down, but we want to do a Christmas movie at least once a day, once every other day. Because sometimes
fall asleep. No, but the other day I knew that I wasn't going to be able to watch it like during the week because my work week was starting to ramp up. So I watched 3 in one day. So does that still count? Babe, but it was like straight to TV stuff that you probably wouldn't watch.
It's part of it.
No, like Lifetime Christmas movies. So, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thanks for shopping with us. I know this video started a lot later in the day, but I kind of just needed a mental break for a sec. But you guys will be getting this video, and my VlogMas Day 12 is going up late. I don't know what happened. I have to re-edit the footage real quick. I just looked and it's not here, so.
Nice.
Yeah, I have this day, that day. All right, but yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will be on it tomorrow. Tomorrow's gonna be a really exciting day, so we will vlog that, and hopefully you guys will like it tomorrow. But yeah, let's get it going, babe. Oh, yeah. I look and over also, and this house is a mess.
Also, tell us it's really not. We'll fix it.
Oh, there's my drink. I was looking for that.
The baby's toys and stuff. He did that.
But tell us what.
Tell us some of your traditions.
Oh yeah.
Tell us some of your traditions in the.
Look at you! You are a natural born vlogger. Check you out.
That's what I do.
You gotta pop on here more often, babe.
I miss you guys. It's been a while.
It's been a long time.
Last time I had a buzz cut. Now my hair is curly.
Stop! Really?
Yeah.
Oh my! Look how long his hair is.
My curls are really tight.
Whoa! It's out of the screen, babe. Look, you're trying to compete with me.
I wish my hair was like this.
Uh-oh. Denny's probably awake.
Yes. So we just got a text message that our son is pissed. So.
Oh, gosh.
We're going to head out.
Yes.
We appreciate all the comments.
Yes.
Thank you guys for the questions, but definitely leave those traditions down below.
Yes, we need to know them.
We are a family.
Ooh.
So therefore, we need to get those traditions started.
Yeah, maybe we can adopt some. That's cute.
Well,
I want to start a nutcracker family. I only have one nutcracker.
And
he's all white.
Okay.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
So. But I just said I'm trying to be minimalistic, so that won't. Anywho, you guys, we will see you in the next one. Please remember to be blessed, well dressed, and not stressed. And
see you there. Peace.
Oh wait, why isn't my finger talking?
What is going on?
Oh, we need to take a thumbnail picture. Not like this.
Thumbnail.